If you're watching this video, like and subscribe to Just the Chords for all of our scale and chord tutorial videos. Today we're talking about B major. We'll show you the B major scale on the right hand, then the left hand, and then both hands. B major has 5 sharps: F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp, and A sharp. All in the mix. 5 of those black keys. We'll do it first with letter names and then with fingering numbers. I'll start on B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. All the black keys. D sharp, C sharp, B. Again with fingerings, the thumb is a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 2, 1. In the left hand, we'll start again on B, but on this ring finger, finger 4. First time with letter names, they are B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. C sharp, B. Starting on finger 4, ready, here's the numbers. 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In both hands, right starts on the thumb, left starts on the ring. Ready, go. Ending again on the ring finger and thumb. Practice this again, I encourage it, and then play on to our next scale video.